Why do you have an expensive espresso machine if you're all about being frugal? I get this question all the time, and the simple answer is I wanted it and it's worth every penny. I grew up Mormon in the States and thought I didn't like coffee at all. Then we moved to New Zealand for 2 years and experienced espresso and fell in love. We got ours used at a very good price from a friend and used it every day. Then my husband lost a job, we moved back to the US and bought another one the second we could. Did we have a home or a job at this point? Nope. Correlation does not equal causation, but my husband did win a job the very next week. Cue to us a year later, still using it at least twice a day to make the most delicious coffees ever. Not even mentioning the amount of money that we end up saving by not buying takeout coffees all the time. I am all about spending more money and investing in high quality things that you know are going to bring you a lot of happiness and last you a long time.